Hangul. Hangul is the national language of Korea, and perhaps one of the easiest languages to learn, with its syllabic blocks and uniquely intuitive alphabetic system. It all started with King Sejong the Great, the fourth king of the Joseon dynasty of Korea. Sejong was a Confucius scholar himself and believed strongly that his people, even commoners, should be able to read, write, and be educated. However, at the time, although Koreans had their own spoken language, Chinese characters were still used by scholars to write. Not only were Chinese characters incredibly complicated, their system did not fit the Korean vocal patterns and sentence formation. The system was messy and difficult, resulting in mass illiteracy. King Sejong knew you can't expect everyone to learn a broken system in order to increase literacy. So Sejong created a system so simple it could be easily learned by all people. Hangul originally consisted of 28 letters with 17 consonant letters and 11 vowel letters. Today, there are 24 basic letters still in use. With the creation of Hangul, Korea was finally able to establish cultural independence from neighboring China. Even more importantly, the common people were able to express their language in writing, record stories, and read literary works commissioned by the king. Hangul is so simple. Each symbol is a diagram of how to pronounce it. If you look at the symbol, it looks like the way the mouth and the tongue are positioned when you pronounce D. The tip of the tongue is touching the roof. Add a line and it indicates more airy flow to produce the sound. For example, here, the tongue is similarly positioned, but you force more air out. What you get is something that sounds more like T rather than D. If you look at this symbol, you can see that you form the sound by placing the back of your tongue at the roof of your mouth, forming a G sound. Add a line, push some breath, and you get a different symbol and a different sound. You get K. In fact, Hangul was so simple, King Sejong famously boasted, "A wise man can acquaint himself with them before the morning is over. A stupid man can learn them in the space of 10 days. Soon enough, even commoners began to learn the system. Many scholars felt this threatened their own status and chose to use Chinese characters still. Eventually, this fell out of practice. Today, Hangul is a source of pride for the Korean people, even celebrating it as a national holiday as a way to commemorate this ingenious system.